Question 1. Which is the opposite of negative 17? Question 2. Which statement clearly describes an account balance of negative $20? A. A debt less than $20. B. A debt more than $20. C. A debt of $20. Or D. A gain of $20. Question 3. Order the following rational numbers from least to greatest. Question 4. Compare the following using these symbols. Question 5. At 6 a.m., Buffalo, New York had a temperature of 10 degrees Fahrenheit. At noon, the temperature was negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit, and at midnight it was negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit. A. Write a statement, in words, comparing negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit. B. Write an inequality statement that shows the relationship between at least 2 of the 3 recorded temperatures. Part C. Which of the 3 temperatures is the warmest? Question 6. Choose an integer between 0 and negative 5 on a number line, and label the point P. Locate and label each of the following points and their values on the number line. Write your answers next to each statement. A. Label point A, the opposite of point P. B. Label point B, a number less than P. C. Label point C, a number greater than P. D. What is the opposite of P? Question 7. Julia is learning about elevation in math class. She decided to research some facts about New York State to better understand the concept. Here are some facts that she found. Mount Marcy is the highest point in New York State. It is 5,343 feet above sea level. Lake Erie is 210 feet below sea level. The elevation of Niagara Falls, New York is 614 feet above sea level. The lobby of the Empire State Building is 50 feet above sea level. New York State borders the Atlantic coast, which is at sea level. The lowest point of Cayuga Lake is 435 feet below sea level. Part A. Write an integer that represents each location in relationship to sea level. Mount Marcy, Lake Erie, Niagara Falls, New York, the Empire State Building, the Atlantic coast, and Cayuga Lake. Part B. Explain what negative and positive numbers tell Julia about elevation. Part C. Order the elevations from least to greatest. Use the table below. Part D. Circle the row in the table that represents sea level. 8. For centuries, a mysterious sea serpent has been rumored to live at the bottom of Seneca Lake, the longest of the Finger Lakes. A team of historians used a computer program to plot the last 5 positions of the sightings. Part A. Locate and label the locations of the last 4 sightings. Part B. Over time, most of the sightings occurred in Quadrant 3. Write the coordinates of a point that lies in Quadrant 3. Part C. What are the coordinates of point E on the coordinate plane? D. Reflect point E over the y-axis. Label it F. What are the coordinates of F? Part E. How far apart are E and F? Explain how you arrived at your answer.